Akshay, you can start for the day.
Namaste and good afternoon to all. Happy Independence Day wishes to everyone present. All CEOs and HR managers uniformly acknowledge that the most important skill needed to be acquired currently, as well as in near future, is knowledge on how to harness the data. Yes, big data is the next big skill. And among the programs, Python and R are the most versatile, which allows to automate data crunching for research projects and has wider applicability. We at Inclusive Training Center, in collaboration with Atmanirbhar Bharat on vocational learning, are very proud and happy to roll out our maiden course with a great combo: Diploma in Computer Programming and Data Analysis. We are heartened to see great response and extend a very warm welcome to our first batch of learners. Let me introduce the collaborating organization Atmanirbhar Bharat on vocational learning. It is a registered entity under MSME, and its core team members are all professionals working in field of education, vocational learning, health and hygiene, social development, corporate social responsibility, and public policy. The vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat is to make rural and other citizens attain self-reliant by learning vocational skills, and their mission is to connect more learning partners, NGOs, individuals for making vocational skill to reach out to Indian masses and rural India. The team is an extravagant team in Atmanirbhar Bharat. The founder and administration, CSR and policy head, whom we have with us, Mr. Pradeep Sir. Co-founder and education of vocations head, Ms. Gayatri Narasimhan. Public relation and CSR relation, Ms. Arpita Srivatsa Rai ma'am, welcome you. Operations, NGO relation and IT head, Mr. Somnath Mishra. Policy and legal head, Ms. Bhumika. Elementary education head, Ms. Samiksha Singh. Health, Hygiene and Sanitation Education Head, Dr. Mandagini Shukla. Accounts Head, Ms. Deepika Vadva. Internship Coordinator and Job Vacancy Collaborator. I'm so happy to be part for this role myself along with Mr. Rajnikant Joshi. The collaborative organizations include Roots to Bloom Lucknow, which focus on education, CSR and public policy. Prakramika Vocational Institute, Chennai, Muscat. Mindcube Multi-Services Private Limited, Mumbai for CSR and PR, Saab Digital Bangalore for IT, Hasna Foundation Delhi for health and hygiene. Let me take this opportunity to introduce the founder of Atmanirbhar Bharat, Mr. Pradeep Sir. He's also the director of operations at Roots to Bloom and Little Millennium Kursi Road, Lucknow. In the past, he had worked in the World Bank project and has also worked in the field of education management and CSR for 12 years now. I welcome Mr. Pradeep Sir to share a welcome note for everyone. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you to Akshay and thank you to all. Namaskar. And first of all, a very happy Independence Day to all of you, those who are present here. As Akshay was sharing how the HR is changing the role and changing the education management in coming years. That is what we are actually focusing on. The critical thinking and the technical intervention will be a big change makers in coming days. And for this, the Python learning, the R programming, and of course, the data analysis is a big big data will be the changing agents on this. And that is why we have come up with this particular program, where Akshay and Simon will be taking on this particular 6 months of program on Python learning and of course the data analysis. The program guidelines and program orientation will be covered by Akshay. I do agree that of course whenever we talk about the education, there are two things in the education. Firstly, we need to take the education. That is how we are going to take up that particular education. And secondly, how we are going to use that particular education, what we have actually attained or what we have gained out of that. So more or less, I always pursue the education management as firstly to take that particular education, and secondly to use that education for the development or the betterment of the people and the society and the science and technology. That is how the things are. Not taking much of the time. Program guidelines will be given by Akshaya only, and with this note, I'm actually opening up for the orientation program and calling Akshaya to give the complete structure how this program will go on for like next 6 months. So over to Akshaya. Thank you. Thank you for making me to be part of this. Thanks for Impulsive Training also for giving us this collaborative effort towards data analysis and programming. Thank you.
Yes, sir, thank you so much. It's an honor for Impulsive Training Center to collaborate with Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you so much, sir. So before proceeding further, let me share a brief profile about myself, since I would be the instructor. So I would be really happy if all our budding learners get to know more about me and the organization which I'm part of. So yes, I'm currently the founder and CEO of Impulsive Training Center and also data scientist and QA analyst at Zopa AI, which is in Singapore. Prior to starting my work journey, I've completed my ACCA affiliate and a post-graduation in Information Technology and Business from Singapore Management University, and I also hold an MBA from Open University, UK. My specializations over the education and the work field include data science, analytics, special education, yoga and dance therapy, and vocational training, Braille, and sign language. This is my dream project, wherein I started working on developing an inclusive workspace model under my own organization, Impulsive, empowering inclusively. The main mission is to work on establishing inclusive workspace by empowering the deprived sections of society. Over the past 5 years, I've worked on training many youth with special needs across various vocations and academic areas. For the purpose of providing the training in a more formal and structured manner, I incorporated the Impulsive Training Center. The mission of this company is to provide training to the deprived sections of society, including and not limited to people with physical impairment, people with special needs, orphans, the rural side, and many more. And also we undertake related activities to provide training in collaboration with NGOs and other corporate sectors during the time of pandemic. Prior to this project, I worked on training over 40 plus students in collaboration with an NGO based at India, wherein I got an opportunity to train industry professionals, professors, and PhD students in the field of data analysis and Python. Recognizing a brief journey in the field of teaching, I'm so happy that SK Educare and Educatio World, they acknowledged my work in the field of teaching by awarding me with Best Special Educator Award, Special Educator of the Year 2021, and Young Teacher of the Year 2021. With this note, let me start the orientation for the day. I just want to confirm if my PPT is visible.
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay, thank you, sir. So let me briefly share what is the course all about. So yes, you will be introduced to various programming tools, which will be helpful to do programming as such, and also take it further into data analysis field. So the next question, some of them would have that, is it going to be a beginner friendly, or would it cater only to the advanced? It's going to start right from basics. So irrespective of the coding knowledge or data analysis knowledge, whether or not you've seen Excel, Python, and R, we will be starting right from scratch and then taking you till the advanced level. So if this is not where it's going to stop, we will be taking you up till the advanced level, wherein you will be up by the end of the course, you will be able to handle your own data set and derive useful insights using either of the tools that would be taught to you. And despite being online, we will look at making it highly interactive and engaging for all the students. So what do the students get to learn? So the students will be exposed to all these tools, Excel, Python, and R. And if required, we will also be touching based upon HTML if the time permits. And you will have hands-on experience on all these tools. It's not going to be theoretical, it's going to be a completely practical oriented. And along with doing the lessons which is taught over the next 6 months, you will also have a completely instructor mentored project mentoring in 3-phase mentorship you will have for the project, and the certificate that you would receive, it's going to be internationally accredited. So with respect to the international accreditation, we are looking at two. One is an American organization and one is a UK organization, which would give accreditation for the course that we are doing now. And the students will be informed on the first day of their class as to if it's going to be either of the organization or both of the organization which would give us the accreditation. And secondly, you will also get the certificate from Atmanirbhar Bharat on vocational learning, which is a Government of India registered organization, an inclusive training center. So the certificate is going to be a ISO certified one. So before proceeding into getting into what modules we will be covering, it's very essential, quintessential to know what is the career, right? To place where you are now, if you do the course, where is that is going to take you? You can continue your study in the same field. So if you're school-going students, because that is another thing, we haven't restricted to any particular age group. As long as you find yourself deemed fit, you have the enthusiasm to learn, and you will follow through the modules. That is the eligibility requirement that we are looking at. So it's not restricted to any age group or for any particular sector. So if you're in school, you can continue your studies in the field of programming in your graduation or post-graduation and so on and so forth. You can also explore careers in web development, because that will help you to develop websites, to develop applications, and definitely the big data terms, data analysis and data science. And you can do software engineering as well. And there are many. The list just goes on, and this is just a very small, a brief list of what are the careers you can look at. So how will the modules be managed? How are we looking to manage the modules? So indeed, since we're using programming as a language, so you will have PowerPoint slides just as a base tutorial, but mainly it's going to be the program coded files. So if it's going to be Python, R, you will have the Python and R respectively.
In computers.
Excel, it's going to be the Excel file. And you will have tutorials, sessions, and other interactive tools that we are looking at. So coming to the assignment part, so this is not just not to scare you, but this is just a checkpoint. The assignment basically we are introducing as a checkpoint so that we as teachers are able to assess if what we have taught has reached each and every student, and if they find it difficult, we should be there to correct. And since we are looking at international accreditation, so to follow that protocol, we will be having weekly assignments and one guided project. So the project mentoring is going to be in 3 phases, as I told you, wherein the first phase is just going to be a topic introduction, where the student will be guided to choose an appropriate data set for themselves, which they are looking to explore further, followed by which we will be having the second phase, wherein they will get to present their initial idea and what data crunching they have done. On the final presentation, we will be having the complete data insight being developed. This mentoring in 3 phases will happen. It's the formal structure, but yes, informally and as and when required, the students will be having more classes when it comes to the project to guide them through doing it completely and cohesively. Again, so what are the requirements? I told you, yes, apart from having your energy, the zest to learn a new language, to learn a new skill, you need a laptop with a good internet connection, and that's it. You needn't have the software files downloaded already. Yeah, okay. So you needn't have the software files downloaded already. It's just we will be guiding you right from the basics. So what's the curriculum? Coming to the main part, what is the curriculum? So first in Excel, if I have to talk about, you might already be knowing what Excel looks like, that it has formulae and everything. But there are some formula which is used just for data cleaning and just for data analysis purpose and for automation of things. So you will be learning how to use Excel and its formulae and its structure for the purpose of data cleaning, analysis, and visualization, apart from the pivot structure. What's up left in Python? So Python, we will start right from basics. Python and R somewhat similar, but yes, it has its own differences when it comes to a language per se. So we will start right from basics and then move on to the data types. You will learn the different control structures, the control structure flows, how to handle the data frames. So when it comes to data frames, how do you load the table? How do you split the table? How do you partition to generate its insights? Then how to merge certain tables, how to do the exploratory data analysis. So exploratory data analysis means the theoretical one, the statistical or numerical, something that is not visual. So when it comes to visual, you look at something like bar graph, pie chart, and so on. So apart from that, if you look at any other data insight, which you want the computer to generate just by giving command, we classify it as exploratory data analysis. So you will learn the same structure using Python and R. So you will learn both using both modules for both software modules for the same purpose. So the question is then why, okay, if I know all these in Python itself, then what motivates me to do R? So that comes to the industry application. So that is why we included all the languages which would essentially be used in the industry. So there are some companies which prefer Python for data analysis. Some prefer Excel while some do R. So that is the reason we have integrated all the three in this one very platform, so that irrespective of the organization, irrespective of the software they use, you will all be empowered to use to generate insights very meaningfully. So what is the duration like? It's going to be for 6 months, being a diploma course. So in the first month, you will be introduced to the Excel concepts. In the second month and third, and this is a very tentative curriculum, the complete detailed schedule will be given for those who register and continue the journey further with us. So in month 2 and 3, we will be having Python. 4th and 5th month, we are looking at R. And for 1 month, there will be one exclusive month for project. So this, it depends how we continue through the course. So the project can come immediately after Python as well. So it completely depends on how the course progresses and how the students wish to, schema their journey alongside. So how would the classes be like? So the classes would be twice a week as a tentative schedule, and age category, it's open to all, as long as I told you, as long as you have the zest to learn, the enthusiasm to learn, that is the eligibility we are looking at. So coming back to classes, it would definitely be twice a week, but however, when it comes to the project phase, when it comes to doubt clarification or some help on assignment, we will definitely look at scheduling additional classes, because the main objective is to enable the students learn it completely and go back home doubt-free. So what is the enrollment fee? It's we are so making it at a very nominal rate of rupees 3,000 for the whole course to be paid at the start itself. So yes, with this, we come to the end of the orientation. I would love to take any questions from any of the participants today. Yes, ma'am, Chaitanya's mother.
So like, I just wanted to know, like, you know that Chaitanya is a special needs child. So and the pace may differ, no? For each children, the learning and the pace may differ. So I really don't know whether he'll be able to. By now, you will be knowing about Chaitanya because he's into all the classes and all.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
since
I
he's a
agree.
little advanced level, but I would definitely like to enroll him because I would like to, proceed further or progress further with his whatever he is doing. So, how do we know like whether
Yeah.
it will be able to cope up with this or not? So.
Sure, ma'am, definitely. For I think Chaitanya, Soham, Rahul, and
Yes.
I think Devapriya was also
Khushrau is
here.
also there, and I just informed them Khushrau and all. I was not. I also knew very late about this, no. So after I logged in, then only I informed them. So I think they're all late. They have come late.
No,
Khushrau's not.
that's not an issue. That's not an issue at all. So for them, definitely, we can
Probably
plan.
it's a question from all of us, I suppose. Like we all think because they are able to do this MS, little bit of HTML and all they are able to do. Now this is a very very precise and structured course. Okay, so how will they be able to do, or like you just elaborate about that also?
Yeah, sure, ma'am, definitely. So for them, that's another thing that actually it's in pipeline. So for them, we can definitely plan. I wouldn't say it would be a separate course altogether, but we can look at enhancement on a different platform and then integrate them back over here so that they learn along with the industry this thing as well, because we have people from across different age groups.
Okay.
So for Chaitanya, Rahul, Khushrau, and whoever is joining from the skill development, so we will connect back. We will connect back separately along with Pradeep sir as well. So to see how we can plan that
Integrate
phase
them.
and then integrate it back here, or how we can take it further.
Because maybe they will be learning little slower than the other neurodiverse or wherever you are getting connected with
Yeah.
other students or people.
Is it
So
all
for them,
other children also there? Neurodiverse and neurotypical both?
Yes.
Yes. Then
Yes.
definitely you have to segregate them, I feel.
Yeah.
even if
So
you
for
don't
neurodiverse,
segregate, even
for
if you don't
neurodiverse,
segregate,
actually, we are coming up with
Yes.
something
Yes,
in due
yes.
because now only they started with MS Office. So that's why we are taking it step by step for neurodiverse.
Because this will be little difficult for our children, definitely I feel. Because
But
Yeah,
still
I agree. It might be difficult, but then it doesn't stop them definitely
we need
because
to
I know.
explore. We
we
need
will
to
join by
explore more,
separate batch.
Yeah.
If it is a
Indeed,
separate
indeed.
batch, that will be convenient.
For neurodiverse, we
And
will
just
plan. We will
Mata,
plan it up.
just me. I will plan. Yeah, I'm plan.
One moment, ma'am. I'll just come to you, Jaya, ma'am, 1 second. So yes, coming back to Chaitanya's mother and Rahul's mother. So for neurodiverse, we will get back to you. I'll connect back with all of you because there is something in pipeline for the neurodiverse completely.
Yes.
So
Shall I
I'll come.
This is going to be a 6 months program, no? This is going to be a 6 months
This
program.
one will be a 6-month program. This one will be a 6-month program, and yes, it will go in a particular pace. Which I agree that for neurotypical year it might be a little easier compared to neurodiverse, but I wouldn't completely agree with that statement either.
Yes.
Because
No, we
they
are
can do
we are
it,
also
they just need.
If
we are also
required,
okay with, if you integrate also, we are okay. It's better the inclusion as you say, but then we need to check whether they will be able to cope up with that
cope up
pace.
or not. If required, they can. The program can be extended if required, or it has
We
to
will
be
look. We will do it, ma'am. I'll come back to you on that.
just this point to be considered. That's all.
Yeah, sure, definitely. Pradeep sir, you were about to say something.
Yeah. What I was trying to add on to this is to the queries actually. See, once we start this particular session, let us start for a basic on the Excel, so that we can actually also judge. Parents can also judge on how they are moving ahead for those things, and if the support is required for a different pace and different sessions onto that, then we can actually add on to that. We can actually take some more sessions onto those things. Let them start for a basic, that is for Excel. Let them start with the complete other team members and other students. And
Normal students.
Hello. Yeah. So if we are having into that particular, if these students will be in that particular segment, and if these people are with these people, they will keep on learning, and based on their learning we can judge on whether they require really a different structure into this, or they can cope up with this. Let us go for 2 of the sessions at least. Then we can able to actually judge on whether they really require those things or not.
Yes, sir.
It
Yes,
might be
sir.
that
Like,
they might be started to this.
yes, sir. We
So-
don't have any problem if integration is also there, like everybody together, no problem. That's in fact even more better. Like let them be with everyone in one platform. No issues.
Sometimes, madam, this happens that children learn by doing actually, or children learn by seeing other
Yes,
children.
Yes, sir,
That's how children
definitely.
are learning.
Right, right.
We
sir.
are judging, actually, we are judging post this particular sessions, 2 or the 3 sessions, then we ourselves can judge on whether they require the separate session or the different pace mechanism onto this, that we can incorporate
Sure, sir.
anytime.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Akshay, there is one hand raised by someone, Vaibhavji.
Pushra's mother. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, actually, sorry, we joined a little late, so we missed the first part. So I was just wondering whether you have a recording of this, because I know quite a few parents who might be interested in this course. Actually, for Python, I know definitely one parent is definitely interested. So if you can share the recording, I can share it with the Forum for Autism people, and I'm sure there may be many students who will be interested in taking up this course. So can you please share it with us?
Pradeep,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure.
So you just share it with us. Also, when is this program likely to start? If I've missed something.
We haven't, yes, that's one date we still haven't announced. So we are looking at September, Pradeep, sir,
September, okay.
September start.
So 6 months from September, and
Yes.
normally twice a week, you all said that.
Twice a week, most probably for weekends, but I'm yet to confirm the timings with because Pradeep sir also has this thing is events also lined up. So we are looking at weekends because many of them might be working, they might be having college or anything. So if it's on the weekdays, we will look at evening after the working hours, and or else if it's going to be in the weekend.
Okay.
But it will be confirmed in the due course for the registered students.
And one more thing I wanted to ask is I mean, you're trying out the kids as such. So what would be your strength of your class as such, if at all, at a point? I mean, how many kids will be there? I mean, are you all looking for in one batch?
Maybe for
It's like a 20 or something?
20, 25. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not more than 25.
Okay.
Not more than 25, because we need to assess also. As per their skilling and as per their learning, we need to assess.
Yeah.
And we
I
are
agree.
increasing more than 25.
Yeah.
If we increase more than 25, evaluation becomes something harder actually for us.
Right. Because some of our kids are into coding right now. Quite a few from our autism forum, quite a few kids are into coding. And I'm sure they look forward to this course. So if we had known about this orientation before, we could have definitely joined. It was just last minute. I mean, half the program was over by the time we joined. So thank you, Sujata, anyway.
No, it's a pleasure. Like
and
the moment I
put it
came
out
to know,
for the
I
group.
just messaged couple of people, and
Thank
I
you
told
so much.
Bhabis
Thank
to
you so
message
much.
everybody.
Yeah,
Thank you,
but I would
Sujata.
think still I can share with many parents. If you could just share
Yes,
me the
yes.
recording as fast as you can. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Jaya ma'am, you had something to share, ask you, had unmuted that time. I'm sorry I interrupted you.
Yeah. No, actually, I was just answering Siddhant that time. Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yeah, we
ma'am.
can.
Yeah. I was just answering Siddhant, but now when Vabis asked a question, I had another query. Suppose you get more than 25 students, will you be having 2 batches or something like that? Yeah.
Indeed, we can look at that, but I assure you that we wouldn't be looking at taking because we will confine the seats.
Yeah, so that's what, if there is an upper limit or something, please, or first come, first basis, please mention all that in your posts, before we spread the word across,
Indeed,
we should be clear on these things. No? So after we get an official post from you, what can be shared, then we'll share it. Yeah.
Indeed, I will
video
discuss.
and that.
I will discuss
Yes.
this with Pradeep sir offline separately,
Yeah.
and I will get back to you, Chaitanya's mother, Rahul's mother, Pushra's mother, Devapriyo, and Soham.
Thank you.
Yes.
I will share with you. I'll share with you.
Basically, like, there's such a dearth of such courses. There will be many willing to join, So if you are, while starting out, if you want to have a smaller number, so please tell us accordingly.
Sure.
Can we give this? I agree with Jaya. Then we will share it only with the people who are really genuinely interested. We'll not just make it public because our groups are quite huge.
Yeah,
I like
otherwise,
what
like
she said.
in the forum for autism, we can put, that's why I had messaged Babis, so
Yeah.
that we can put it in forum for autism. But if you're limiting the seats, then as she
Yeah,
said,
then
we will, particular parents who
Yeah.
are really very interested, we can tell them.
Yes,
Yeah.
Sujata.
No,
that's
after
right.
So, ma'am,
ma'am
I just
confirms, no, after she confirms what can be put, we'll put
Yeah,
that.
yes,
After
yeah, yeah,
you give,
I will share.
you give
I
us
will-
what is to be confirmed, yeah, then we'll put.
Absolutely,
Not
I will
before that.
share. And I just want to confirm, Jaya ma'am and Husha's mother, you will be sharing
Yeah.
it among the neurodiverse groups, right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine.
90%, yes.
Actually, even in Hyderabad, many are waiting. This course also I came to know at the last minute, you know, Vabi's shared with me and we joined and we are so thankful for it. But then there's a big crowd waiting at I was
Yeah,
just
there's a big
that
waiting list.
MS, your MS course and all, when the next batch begins, I must tell the Hyderabad groups also, I was thinking, you know.
I think you'll
There's
have
a
to
long
increase
wait
I think you have to
actually.
increase the batches now.
Yeah, you'll have to increase the
And
batches.
increase your staff also.
Even the
MS
spoken
office-
English, even the spoken
office will
English
be
is
continued.
taught so nicely.
Yeah.
Akshaya, it's very well designed, you know.
Yes.
Spoken
yes.
English, not just the spoken English. How to talk, where to talk, how to.
Actually, we wanted to enroll Siddhant for that, but since there were only 2, we could join. No, we were thinking
Yeah.
next time we'll
Very
join.
nice.
So
That-
that skill development side, please don't worry, ma'am. It's going to be an ongoing batch
Yeah,
for sure.
thank you.
So 2
Yeah.
now, 2 next,
You'll
and you
find
can
many
finish.
takers. You'll find many takers for
Yes.
that.
Definitely.
Correct.
Yeah.
No, even this course also, like when I was thinking what it is going to be, but then when I saw the module, we feel like, yes, our children, like we would definitely like to enroll and see, because we need to upgrade them also, no? And we feel that they will be able to do. So definitely we will get into this, or we are getting into this also. Only you have to let us know for others, you know, in the forum we will share, but you just let us know about that so that we can do, others can do that, you know, she will share it in forum and all like that.
Sure, definitely. I'll have to discuss with Pradeep sir
Yes,
separately,
please.
and I'll get back to all of you. All those from skill development who are here, I will share it with you separately.
Okay, thank you.
And
So-
for future courses also, just let us know, because we our forum has a huge listing. Even for MS Office courses, I think people have been really flawed and they really want to join. So do share it with us so we can put it up on the group and in fact inform individual parents also to that extent.
Indeed, sure.
Yeah.
So actually, for skill development students, I was planning in a separate this thing altogether.
Okay.
Because just to take it in a phased manner, exclusively for MS Office students, but that's what I'll connect back. I'll connect back with you. I'll have to discuss with Pradeep sir and also my mom, because for the skill development. So I'll just come back. On that. But thank you. Thank you so much,
One
ma'am.
more query, actually, about
Yes,
this
ma'am.
course only. About
Yes,
this
ma'am.
course only. As you said, after this, the module is, the course is all finished. And I think I saw in your, what you have sent, there was some internship kind of. So how
Internship opportunity.
about that also? Can you please
So the
elaborate?
internship will be based on the grades that students will receive. The graded modules include their weekly assignments and the project as well. Apart from their class participation and many other things, which we will be telling on the first day, like what would be the graded components exactly. So based on the grades, we'll be having the top 3 performers of the batch, for whom there will be an internship opportunity being offered. And thanks to Pradeep sir, Atmanirbhar Bharat, they have a project. Sir, can you just brief us on that IBM project?
Let me give the idea how exactly that particular internship is. That complete internship is on peer learning actually. The children, those who are learning this particular program, that is for 6 months, they will be learning with us. Hands-on experience will be there with our team on the projects also and for other things too. But what we are doing is just to add on to this for a peer learning to the rural people. Our students will be actually a part of the team, those who will be guiding rural students onto this. The same course will be there. a different structure can be there because I'm collaborating with IBM team or the CSC centers across India. Somewhere we are looking out for CSC 20 centers or so. So that in first phase, we can add on 20 students at least from rural India. So our students, those who will be into the intensive, they will be actually giving the peer learning to all those rural students for the same scheme, for the same project, because they will be having this particular hands-on experience, how the course is going on and what all the courses are for. So it's not only that they will be keep on learning on this, they actually utilize this particular learning on the spot once they are going for a peer learning intensive for later on for 3 months or 6 months, that can be decided. But in an initial phase, that peer learning will be for 3 months through CSC centers. That is how that internship will be there.
And
Any inquiries you want to that, please let me know.
any kind of industrial internship or kind of corporate kind of internships?
Actually, this particular industrial internship is with the IBM. If I'm collaborating with IBM also, we are in talks with IBM US, and let us see how this is actually coming up. And they are also coming to see their skill development project is going on with 3,000 skill development projects. 3,000 beneficiaries are there across India actually. And now they have picked up for scaling our rural youth. And that is what we are also trying for that. So we are collaborating with that particular team. I'm in talks with US IBM team for the same. And within, I must say, within a week or so, we will be having MOU also signed on that. So based on that particular MOU, how we will be. Although that internship will be called as an industrial internship, but still they are also going for rural internship. Okay.
Thank you.
So they will be getting the certification through IBM. No worries on that. That will be counted as an industrial internship in collaboration with our team. But they will be working for the development of the rural children also. Those who are coming up with us, let us see how this comes in. They are trying for 2 segments. They are trying either for the rural India, the students, or the students or the dependents of the marginalized communities. For these 2 communities, they are pitching for. Let us see to whom we can cater for. So based on that particular MOU, we can actually come up with that particular project.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Soham's mother, you have some doubt?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, the same thought will be echoed. Like our children are benefited in a way. The way you, Gayatri ma'am and Akhila, you three are handling our children. So this would be the best platform for our children for their upliftment in learning and career. So definitely we will be willing to join and learn. So in any group you place me, if that schedule doesn't clash with already existing ones, I will definitely join on weekdays also. That I wanted to say. Weekday, if it doesn't clash with Soham's schedule on weekday, I will volunteer for weekday also, no problem. But if you are grouping all the children with special need in one group, will be better because they may need more exposure and more time to learn and more time to become perfect in one particular skill. So the way you group us, no problem. I just wanted to strengthen the thought already spoken by Sujata and Bhavis and Uma. So no platform will be better than this for our children. So the way you handle them, the way you understand their difficulty.
Yes.
So we will be obliged if you make a separate group for us and we will be strengthened then. We will feel supported for our children.
No, I completely agree. I understand. And you, all parents, I have witnessed it so far. Even in the short journey I've known you all, you've been a great support for all my professionals. I would say I take ownership of all of them. So my professionals, you've been a great support for all of them as parents. So definitely, I mean, I'm yet to have a word with Pradeep sir, so that's why I'm not making any official announcement on that now. But I do consider that they have their school going on or the MS Office, the skill development classes going on. So I'm aware of that schedule and also the requisite that they have to complete their MS Office classes to be eligible for to start the data analysis part. So with all keeping all that in mind and the requisite, the need for having a separate batch for the neurodiverse exclusively, I will discuss with Pradeep sir and I'll get back to you all formally. I'm so sorry. I'm not able to make anything officially declare now because I would like to discuss with Pradeep sir and then I'll come back.
Yes, it would be good if we.
I need to add here.
Sorry. No, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
I need to add based on your discussion. If Akshay, we can do one more thing. I need to take account of how parents are looking for. See, our the complete structure is of 6 months. Okay, and for neurodynamic students, we have a different pace of learning, of course, for them. So if we go for 3 months of certification initial, so that they can get hands-on experience, and there the pace of learning will be a different one. Okay, and then we can actually please another 3 months of learning on that.
So I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Honestly, this is what I wanted to discuss with you. I had this in mind. It was in plan. It was in plan already. I had this in mind, and I was devising the modules for the neurodiverse exclusively because I wanted to try the data analysis with them. Yes, I agree, sir. I completely agree. Then I will share with you the plan that I have. Sorry, please let me know and the team, please let me know if you have any suggestions. So what I was thinking is to have the first 3 months for Excel completely. So because my MS Office professionals, they're already trained in the basics of usage. They will be trained in the basic usage of Excel, including the formula and everything, such that they can start with the data. But the assignments that we will be making for them will be industry standard based. I'm sitting along with other data analysts and scientists. So I'm working on this whole month. I'll be working on making the curated assignments just for them, wherein we're taking the competition data sets and train them so that they will be able to handle the company level data set at the end. But we will start slow. We will start completely slow. So I need Rahul Smada, just one moment. I'm just coming to you. So I would need 3 months for Excel, and we will choose one of the language, either Python or R, to start with, to see the comfort zone in the language. So I would preferably go for R because it's very much in English. But Python, I'll go with the vote. Anything is fine. We can try. Or we can test 2 classes in Python. If it doesn't work, we will shift to R, not an issue. But we will focus on one language for the first. Give them a break of 2 or 3 weeks after the Excel and then start with the language so that even they will have their break, because ideally that is required while handling neurodiverse. So we would need that break and then start with the next phase of the diploma course. And we can look at project in both. So I will be introducing project in both. They will have equal number of assignments. They will be having presentations will also be there for which they will take the ownership completely, but they will be trained through and through. So for that minute handling, I would need more time with the students. They can definitely do because I've worked with them in MS Office. So they have a lot of ability to do that, but we just need more time. Is it fine? Is it fine, sir?
Yeah, of course, fine. The pace of learning is different, but they can learn on that. No worries on that, I would say.
Okay. So, sir, one thing what I would suggest now is we have a mixed crowd over here, and the registration link that we have generated, I would say we share it now for the neurotypicals alone. And so can we take a discussion just to confirm with you separately, and shall we reconnect back for the neurodiverse separately?
We can reconnect.
They will be sharing amongst their group as well. So we can connect back with the whole neurodiverse community completely.
That needs to be done actually. We require a separate orientation for them also.
Yeah.
Akshay, I wanted to ask you one thing.
Yes, ma'am, please. No, absolutely fine. You know what, absolutely fine.
First 3 months, they'll be doing some course, right?
Yeah.
And again, they'll be doing the other one, second part, another 3 months. So at the end of the day, the certificate which is given to 6 months course, will it be the same for these children also?
Same. This thing, certificate name is going to be the same. Just the curriculum and the way we address the assignment made will be different, so that what is the thing, no, ma'am? They are at one level now.
Yes.
We have to bring them to that level, but
Yes.
it has its own steps.
Correct.
Basically, it has its own steps which has to be curated for our children.
Okay.
So that is all. Just the method is going to be different, but the end outcome, what
Course is same.
everything,
Course, certificate, all are same.
modules are also same.
Okay.
I will be dividing it into pieces as a teaching side and
Flexible.
same.
Yeah, it is flexible. Okay.
That's it. That's it.
very
It will
nice.
be
Thank you.
modular, minute, we will start granular. So something, if I go in fast pace in another batch, for our students, I will go in a more detailed, so
Yes.
that at the end, everyone should understand. But
Correct.
understanding the level of each and every student who comes for the second batch from our MS office. So don't worry, ma'am. The certificate end is going to be the same.
See,
And
when our children are in your hands, we need not have to worry at all. That is the best part.
Means a lot, ma'am. I am gifted to work along with such talented children.
See,
They are very talented.
this kind of interest is very, very rarely seen normally. Very rarely seen. Taking interest in such children. Our children have gone to normal schools. There also separate attention was being given, but this is something extraordinary that what you three are doing. Team of three.
Ma'am, they are highly talented. I was sharing with Pradeep sir also. In fact, Pradeep sir was very instrumental for having our chief guest on board today. He works a lot and a great support for both Mama, Prakramika and for Inclusive as well. He's a great mentor. So, I mean, we are gifted, I would say. What a talent we got to witness, and these children are amazing. I don't go with the term that the society gives them, but keeping that aside, they are equally capable, and everything is just this thing. Only thing, we will go with a different step, because each of us have our own medicine that we take, right? So they'll have just their own step.
Neurotypical also, even in neurotypical, all are not at the same pace. I may learn little late, you may learn little faster. That is there.
I completely agree. I was one among the slow learners in my this thing, because I jumped to computers in my master's. So I was in a completely different field. I was in commerce and finance, and I jumped to IT in my master's. So I was in the back amongst all stalwarts in the class. So I had my own this thing, but I understand how hard the journey was. So that's okay. Whatever step we take, our end goal where we finish, it's all the same.
Thank you.
Don't worry, ma'am. This thing is going to be the same. Yes, Chaitanya's mother.
Just in the module only, I was asking, like you had said 2 languages, no, Python and R. So
yes, ma'am.
They will be able to cope up with both the languages within the span of 6 months only? That
frankly speaking, that is what I'm little skeptical about, because somewhere, yeah. So the same function, what will happen is, ma'am, the same function, it is like teaching 2 different languages ek saath. Like you're trying to teach a child Marathi and Konkani for the same word at the same time. Then registering both is going to be hard for anyone. Even I myself, I learned R during one time in the first 6 months, and I learned Python in the second phase.
Yes.
When I clearly understood and appreciated R programming, that's when I ventured into Python.
Yes.
So for neurodiverse, I completely stress on the fact that we will go only with one.
Okay. That's what I was little apprehensive about. Both the languages will be that to the span is only for 6 months. So for taking them and learning them or implementing all, they might get confused, or it will be difficult for them. So just wanted to know. Yeah.
Ma'am, don't worry. I will take care. Please don't worry.
Thank you. Yeah. We have full faith. No doubt about that. I was just thinking about, since there were 2 languages, so how, what it should be.
We will stick on to one, because that's something that we will have to start with. So that choice we will have to see, because this is the first time. Frankly speaking, this is going to be my first time working on computer languages for the neurodiverse, which I was very interested in.
Even for our children, it is going to be the first. Many of them are learning that HTML basic and all, but this is going to be a very structured one. First time they are learning.
So I refrained from coming to HTML because I wanted them, because whatever it is, I'm looking at
Yes,
integrating them at workplace.
Yes,
So
yes.
when that is their in mind, what is the language they use? So
Correct,
predominantly it is Python, but
Okay.
R is more friendly. That is the thing. That is
Okay.
where the difference is coming. So more used is Python, but easy to understand because it's very typical in English. Like how we speak in English, that's the
Okay.
same way we code. So that is R.
Okay, okay.
So better
Okay.
to start with R then.
Yes,
That's
yes.
what I
That's
feel.
what she said. That's what she is telling now.
That is
Yeah.
what I feel, but that's this thing, right? Should I choose what industry is asking, or should I go for this thing? So I'll just come back. I
Yes,
will
yes.
have a
You
discussion.
please take your time and you can decide on that. No issues, because like they are going to do with you only, and we have like full this thing. Like we don't have no two words about it. Actually, no two
Thank
thoughts
you.
Yeah,
also.
yeah. And actually, ma'am, you are the best person to formulate a structure for them.
Yes,
It will work
it
for
is
them the best.
very
So
true.
since you are handling our children, you will know best
Yeah.
how to teach them and what to begin with and how to structure it. We have absolutely no problem. We feel
Yeah.
comfortable when you are there.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you
Absolutely.
so much. I'm so honored to come back because this was the dream I had. I was yet to discuss with Pradeep sir. I was like, okay, I thought after this orientation, I'll have a time with him, but I was sharing with my mom. I said, these children are doing so well in Excel. We have just started with Excel, right? So they're doing so well that I'm looking at experimenting data analysis. I'm sure that they have the ability to do it, but I'm so happy that many of you are here, and it's a dream come true. If this course happens for our neurodiverse, then I would be the first person to be happy because it's my dream project which I've been working. The day I got enrolled for my master's, was to bring this IT for neurodiverse. That is what
That's
Yeah,
really
ma'am.
brilliant idea. That's a really
Yeah,
brilliant idea.
Yeah, ma'am. One more thing, it's not our 4-5 children. We mothers are also together to work and share experience and make them learn better and share ideas and share thoughts. So how we can improvise things with us. So we will also start working with our children, and absolutely they will work better. I feel once we are connected together, we parents feel strengthened and empowered regarding teaching also, and regarding making them better also.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Please don't worry. That's what I will have a discussion separately with Pradeep sir for how we can take the course for our children, neurodiverse children, and we will have a separate orientation because the module I'll redesign, I'll restructure the PPT as well because the module addressing is going to be step is going to be different and goal is same. And it might not be 6 months. It might go for 7 months because we're planning for a short break in between because they need. Children need that cooler. They
Yeah,
need.
that's fine, ma'am. No problem with that.
Yeah.
I just wanted to know, suppose you feel that these kids, if our kids do end up completing this art, which is finishing it, would you even consider an extension by adding Python also apart from that after the 6 months? Suppose if they finish this one, you could keep an option that if anybody wants to take up Python, they can go for that too, right?
I agree.
Yeah,
Good choice.
yes, we also need her. Like we would like to go for the other language also, but since they can't, we can't integrate both together for them parallelly. If you'll do, it will be difficult. So one by one, you can, and we will continue with it. We are ready
Good
to
suggestion.
continue.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So then, in that case, it might go for another 3 months. I'm just
It's
telling
okay.
you.
It is okay actually. Like you can formulate all those things. You can decide and you formulate and then discuss with us in the orientation. No issues. The time is not a factor. You can extend the months
At
also.
all.
Yes, not
Time
at
is
all
not
a
a
problem.
problem at all. They should understand, able to do it. That's all.
Yeah.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Indeed.
Thank you
Definitely.
so much for your initiative.
No, ma'am. I'm so
Thank you so
honored
much.
to be part of this. Thank you so much, ma'am. Anything else that I can help you or address your queries with?
We'll look forward to the orientation, and then we'll see, how many of us can, we'll try and restrict the group to some 20-25 so that, we don't just go about the genuine graduates who really want to learn Python or whatever, and we can go for those, it'll be easier for them also. So then instead of just putting it on a huge group, we'll restrict it to only a few known people who'd be interested in taking this up.
Sure. Definitely. Pradeep, sir, you were about to say something.
Yeah, Akshay, please come in. Come again.
Pradeep, sir, you were about to say something. I heard you say something.
No. We
Okay.
will get back to all those queries, okay, later on.
Okay, sure. Sir, shall I share the registration
You
link
can
for?
share that particular Google Form.
Yeah.
That you can say.
Okay. So yes, I've just shared a Google form here. So all those from skill development, please hold on. This is not for you. We will connect back on a separate orientation. But for others who have come, who have joined us today, Manu, Lakshmi, Asrit, Nitin sir, and Sabil, and I think Harsha as well. So this is for you. So if you're interested in continuing this journey, and I would be really happy if I could get the opportunity to train you all in this, please click on this link to register with us so that we could have you on board soon. Thank you so much, everyone, and over to Pradeep sir for the closing note.
Thanks, Akshay. It was wonderful to hear how the orientation is, and we need to incorporate certain more things into this. We will be having a separate orientation for neurodynamics and neurodiverse students also. And based on their learning and based on the pace of their learning, we will curate that particular segment. Only thing I need to say here is if we are into any of the IT intervention and IT learning, some way these students, those who are into neurodynamics and neurodiverse, they are excelling more. That is my experience. So teachers and parents, those who are very much skeptical about the capability and ability of their children, for them actually this I'm sharing, that whenever we keep on asking for any of the formula or any of the code for any of the thing, our students, those who are into neurodynamics and neurodiverse, they are coming first always. So that is how my experience on those things. And yes, I'm more curious to make this particular project to go on. Why? Because once this particular project is on the board and students will keep on learning, it's not only that this will actually help out for their skill development or for their learning. This actually will make them to go for an analysis thinking, more into reasoning thinking. And this is what actually is required in coming generations or in coming years. That is, for analysis you need to work on, for research work you need to work on, and for journal writing you need to work on. And for all these skill set and for all these requirements, you require some way or the other this particular IT intervention. So based on these particular requirements and based on those skill sets which we really required, I do agree and I request all parents actually to enroll their students for this. There will be a different pace, I do agree, because all students are not similar in their pace of learning. I too was not the same, Akshay too was not the same. And likewise, in normal class also, there will be, in class also, in normal schools also, one or two boys are excelling and others are in the different actually structure or different pace of learning there is. So in each of the schools, in each of the classes, this differentiation will keep on going on, but we need to keep on moving for the learning. And that is how the things are. Not taking much of the time. Thank you to Akshaya, thank you to all parents, and thank you to all queries actually. Because of these queries only, we need to actually come on with some different structures too, for the students and for the parents. Thank you to all, and namaskar. Once again, happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you for being with us. Akshaya, you can close for the day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Happy
much.
Independence Day, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much
you,
for
sir.
all the
Happy
insights.
Independence Day to all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Akshaya ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Sir, may I end the session? So you will have to end the session from your end.
That I will. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.